Today's top 15 tech stories. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily tech updates. 3 founders skipped VC funding, used AI to stay lean, and got to $1 million in revenue in year 1. 3 founders with backgrounds at Google, Palantir, and Harris Poll launched Outward Intelligence in March 2023, skipping venture capital funding to stay lean. Within 8 months, their polling company reached over $1 million in revenue, leveraging AI to streamline the market research industry's manual processes. Xbox CEO Asha Sharma joins Federal Reserve Task Force on Jobs and Productivity days after announcing mass layoffs. Xbox CEO Asha Sharma has joined a Federal Reserve Task Force on Jobs and Productivity to advise on the impact of AI technology, just days after announcing 3,200 layoffs across Microsoft's gaming division. The task force will assess the economic implications of new technologies like AI to inform the Fed's policy judgments. Delegation, trust, and a shared nickname. How 2 bankers co-lead a 550-person JP Morgan team. John China and Andrew Kress co-lead JP Morgan's 550-person innovation economy team, advising over 11,000 startups. The duo, referred to as Jack, share a nickname that reflects their united leadership despite having different banking backgrounds. Trump denies conflict of interest over crypto, and Vatican excommunicates rebel group. President Trump's financial disclosures reveal he and his family earned over $1 billion through cryptocurrency ventures and other businesses last year, with more than $500 million coming from a venture co-founded by Trump family members. The White House denied any conflicts of interest, stating the U.S. has become the crypto capital of the world. It's harder than ever to raise a fund. Here's one emerging manager's advice. Venture capitalist Nisha Dua notes that it's harder than ever for emerging managers to raise a fund, as investor capital is increasingly flowing to big, well-known venture firms, capturing 91% of all capital raised in the first quarter of 2026. Capital One Refer a Friend. What you need to know about this generous program. Capital One offers a Refer a Friend program allowing users to earn bonuses by referring friends, family members, or small businesses for credit cards. By sharing a unique link, referrers can earn rewards such as cash back or miles after the person they referred is approved and uses their card. From heartburn to $14 billion, inside Menlo's early Anthropic investment that broke all the rules. Menlo Ventures invested in Anthropic, a pre-revenue AI startup, at an estimated $4.1 billion valuation in 2023, despite being outside its usual venture range. The investment is now worth around $14 billion as Anthropic prepares for a public listing later this year. Sergey Brin and 11 other billionaires and tech elite lined up against California's proposed billionaire tax. California's proposed billionaire tax, which would impose a 5% wealth tax on state residents and trusts with assets over $1 billion, faces opposition from 12 billionaires and tech elite, including Sergey Brin, who have contributed over $120 million to block or complicate the measure. In contrast, supporters of the tax, led by SIUHW, have received around $31 million in funding. Why smart entrepreneurs should watch immigration law as closely as interest rates. Immigration policy now drives real estate demand as directly as interest rates, with a single rule change capable of pulling demand out overnight. Changes in citizenship rules can create new business opportunities for entrepreneurs in real estate, but also introduce risk if markets become too dependent on foreign buyers. Stripe, Anthropic, and OpenAI are backing effort to stop respiratory infections. Stripe, Anthropic, and OpenAI are supporting an effort to combat respiratory infections. The initiative aims to develop AI-powered diagnostic tools and treatments for common respiratory illnesses. The AI trade should be the anchor of a revamped 60/40 portfolio, Apollo's chief economist says. Apollo's chief economist Torsten Slok recommends revamping the traditional 60/40 portfolio to prioritize AI-driven investments, citing its omnipresence in both equities and bonds. The shift reflects AI's growing importance in driving market performance and economic growth. Billionaire exodus. California draws 10x more venture capital than any other state. California attracted over $335 billion in venture capital funding this year, more than 10 times the amount raised by any other state, driven by its deep pool of talent and tech infrastructure. The state's strong tech markets in San Francisco, Los Angeles, and San Diego continue to attract AI companies, talent, and investors, despite concerns about costs and regulations. The company that is building the missing data layer for real estate. Real Estate API is a company building a unified data layer for real estate, aiming to simplify access to property information by harmonizing data from thousands of sources into a single model. The platform provides self-service APIs delivering property intelligence to over 300 customers across industries, enabling real-time search, filtering, and analysis of more than 150 million properties. Microsoft announces new AI company days before mass layoffs. A learning loop in which human capital and token capital compound. Microsoft announces Microsoft Frontier Company, an AI venture aimed at providing industry knowledge, change management expertise, and enterprise-grade AI engineering capabilities to customers. The company invests $2.5 billion in the venture, embedding 6,000 experts at customer sites to co-design and improve AI systems at scale. Om Malik, 1966-2026. Om Malik, a renowned tech blogger, passed away on June 24, 2026, at Stanford Hospital at age 59 after a long battle with heart health issues. He was a pioneer in blogging, co-founding Gigam and celebrating the power of online engagement through his writings. Thanks for watching. Like and comment below. See you in the next update.